Hi, my name is Eugene Davis and I'm here on this set for the ORS Olive Oil Hues shoot. And today we have 4 amazing models and a great team of hairstylists and colorists.
My name is Tifany Constantine. I am the master colorist for ORS. I really love this hair color. It has vitamin E in it. I love the way that it makes the hair feel after. It is very true to color. After we applied the color, the hair feels really soft, not like traditional color where the hair is left really hard.
I'm Lauren. I'm 24. I do social media and marketing. Also, I'm a lifestyle, fashion, and beauty blogger. I was really excited to work with ORS Olive Oil Hues because I've been wanting to color my hair, specifically blonde. I've done colors before, but this one time I was a little nervous because I've heard all of the horror stories with blonde, but my hair is still soft. My texture is still beautiful. My curl pattern is still there. I would definitely color my hair at home, especially because I always dibble and dabble in my hair.